All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk briefly about the 3D menu. So let's go to Create New, and we're going to select the default Photoshop size. We'll click on 3D menu, and I'll just talk about some of the features that they have here. So they have the new 3D layer from File. You can merge a 3D layer, export a 3D layer. They have Panorama here, so you can import Panorama. New panorama layer from selected layers, export panorama. Get more content. So if I click that, we can download 3D content from Photoshop.com. That's kind of cool. You can download stuff and fiddle with it. You can do new 3D extrusion from selected layer. Yes. So what it's going to do is it's going to make this 3D. Whoops, I just undid it. Hold on a second. Oh, wow. I don't know what we're doing here. Okay. I'm going to undo that. Let's see if I can undo it. Okay, let's undo. Okay. So if I just go to layers, there it is. What it did is it changed all the menus. So you see here the tools are different. So if I go to Window and Workspace, we go to Essentials, then we're back to where we were. But what it did is it changed it to 3D, and that's why it changed. So, all right. New mesh from layer, group objects, group all objects in scene, move object to group plane, pack objects on ground plane, new tiled painting from layer, generate UVs, paint fall off, paint system, paint on target texture, select paintable areas, create painting overlay, and then a lot more down here. The one thing I'm going to say about the 3D menu is it's cool to see how far Photoshop has come from when I first started using it. They did not have a 3D option at all. And I learned 3D Studio Max, but we didn't really utilize Photoshop much at that point. So this would be a great tool if you want to do 3D modeling, anything like that. You can use Photoshop for that. It's a great tool. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.